we're gonna check Target out. Yeah, we're gonna check Target out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film in there, so we'll see. Okay guys, I stopped in Target. I wasn't gonna film, but I wanted to show you guys this. In my store, they have Threshold blankets. A lot of them half off. They have this one right here, and that's a queen for $39.50. They even have quilts. So like this is only $34. So I think that's a great deal. These are even on sale for $10, and they're really nice. Let's see, all those. That's nice. It's like a flannel. So it looks like a lot of the Threshold stuff. That's this. Is on sale. So definitely check out your stores. I don't think there's anything else. Okay, for the little ones, they have stuff also on sale. I believe, like that one is. So definitely check them out. Okay, I'm not sure, but I'm noticing it's a lot of just Threshold stuff. Maybe they're not going to carry that brand anymore. These are half off. They're $7. They got those. They got even the towels, hand towels. So definitely check out your Targets, you guys. It looks like I noticed even the dish towels for Hearth and Hand, or not Hearth and Hand, but Threshold were on sale. Yeah. Even the mat, like this color, that's on sale. That's nice. And the brown is on sale right here. Awesome rugs, you guys. I don't know if these are the correct ones. Opal. I don't know if that's that. Yeah, I think it is. So that's 10. That's nice. That's this one. It's only $65. Wow. That's really good. I think that is this one. So yeah. Lots of good deals. A lot of half off items. These two. By this brand. They also have chairs. Those chairs right there are $63. Those are only $30, but still. I think this one is $28. And then there's some nice chairs. Yeah, these Threshold chairs, you guys, are half off. They're $100. This one is $98. And that's the one for $100, which is really nice. But all of these project, all those chairs are on sale, you guys. I mean, the whole aisle is stickered. This bench is really nice. I really like this. It's this one right here. And it's $50. That's solid wood. It's really nice. That, $45, a stool. That one I think is on sale too. Yep, $37. These are on sale for $29. All these towels are $30. Yeah, and it looks like it's mainly the threshold items. That's all on sale. You guys, all these are also on sale. And I just bought runners. This one is at $12.60. I mean, a lot of nice rugs here. And all the towels. I mean, you can see. And then a lot of the to go with it. This is kind of neat if you have a little bar cart. This is on sale for $21. They have these. This is nice. It's only $9.10. Guys, I don't know if that's this. This may not be it, but we will check. I have serving bowls. Those are on sale. The modern. It's wood. This is nice. So yeah, once again, threshold. So, oh, I hear you guys. $4 for that little one. I got some little crazy kids in the next aisle. They are having a good time. Okay, glassware. All of these, and I know people were loving these, are all on sale. They also have sets. So yeah, definitely check your Targets out. Look at this. That is really nice. So I found some baskets. These are $5. It's a pretty big size. Does it say? No. This one? I don't think that's this one. This one is. Then they have these. don't know if that's these. I think it is. Those I believe are $12.50. I was trying to see if they had any other baskets on sale. These big ones down here are. Okay, so I went into Target, was really just gonna look around. You know me and my bullseye playground. I had to move the car. This is a busy Target, and I looked like a crazy lady sitting here talking to my phone like this. But I wanted to hop on here, you guys. If you are a Target shopper or you like to go occasionally, right now, I'm not kidding you, there were so many good sales throughout the whole store. But I will say I noticed tons and tons of Threshold, as I was saying in the video, was marked down, like half off. Some was 30, but a lot of it was half off. From furniture to, you know, bedding, as you saw, glassware, all kinds of stuff. So if that's something you guys are looking for, not to mention in my store, the jewelry. Tons of jewelry and purses, because they're getting all their spring and summer purses, I think. So all the purses were marked down. There was some for $3, some for $6, some for, you know, 15 and 17, bigger, nicer, and then jewelry, tons of jewelry. Clothes was on sale, shoes were on sale, like a lot of stuff was marked down that I didn't film. So the Target I was in was just too busy, and I'm not gonna lie, I still feel weird every once in a while filming in the stores. So that's why sometimes you'll hear me get really quiet, because I feel like a weirdo talking to myself filming. So but yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. I think the Target might be by itself. I was gonna add it in with our day, but you guys will see this when I edit it. All right, bye guys.